Hey there, I'm Jessica and I'm thrilled to be here with you today to help your little ones discover the joy of reading. In today's video, we'll be focusing on 5 key letters and their sounds. Then we'll use these letters to build words together in a simple and engaging way. This is a great way for your child to learn to read. So you can take notes and do this lesson with your kids, or you can have them follow along with us, taking breaks whenever you need to practice. Let's get started. Step 1 is making sure that we're familiar with the letters that we're using. Let's start with the letter U. This is our vowel. It will be in every word that we build today. The letter U can make more than one sound, but today we're going to focus on the short U sound, as in umbrella. Now we'll move on to the letter D. To make the letter D sound, you place the tip of your tongue against the area just behind your upper front teeth. Then you'll release a small burst of air as you move your tongue quickly down, making this sound, D, D, as in dog or doll. One thing I'll point out about the letter D sound is that your vocal cords should vibrate when you make this sound. So go ahead and lightly place your hand over your throat and make the letter D sound again. D, D. You should feel a vibration when you make that sound. Up next is the letter G. Now the letter G can make more than one sound, but today we're going to focus on the hard G sound, which is G, as in gum. Now on to the letter M. The letter M is a nasal sound, which means that while the lips are closed, the sound is produced through the nose. Let's give it a try. As in mouse or mushroom. And the last letter we'll go over today is the letter S, which makes this sound, S, as in snake. Okay, it's time to move on to step 2, building and sounding out words. So today we'll start with a 3-letter word. We'll use the letters M, U, and D. And we'll place round magnets under each letter, which we'll use to sound out those individual letter sounds. And I'll use a dry erase marker in order to draw a little line with an arrow underneath the whole word, which we'll use to blend those sounds together. Let's give it a try. Ud, mud. Great. Now we'll change out the letter D for the letter G, and we'll sound it out. Ugh, mug. Now we'll change out the letter M for the letter D. Ugh, dug. Now we'll change out the letter D for the letter G, and then we're going to add the letter M to the end of this word. Gum. And for our last word, we're going to change out the letter G for the letter S. Some. So with just 5 letters, we have created 5 different words. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out more resources on my website, like my Simple Words Reading Kit, which is a complete kit for helping your child learn to read. The link is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more reading tips, and share it with other parents. Together, we can unlock the magic of reading and empower every child's future. Catch you next time.